Hello guys, hello. This Vera TV program in the building. Oh yes, guys, I greet and appreciate you. Oh yes, My bling the show, guys. This Vera TV program in the building. I greet you. This main one and only Vera TV program, you know. Oh yes, my beautiful people, I greet and appreciate you. I love this Vera TV program in the building. I greet and thank you and appreciate you for supporting me, for being there for me, for subscribing to my channel Vera TV program. Thank you all. I appreciate you. This Vera TV program in the building. Oh yes, guys, please, if you have not subscribed, try to subscribe to Vera TV program. God will bless you and appreciate you a lot. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for supporting me. All my refans all over the world. God will bless you. I thank you so much. This not be now, come be me. No, they make me they shine. No, they make me they look good. They say, shine your shine. God will bless you. I go shine, good shine. Shine of prosperity, shine of happiness, shine of joy. God will bless you. I thank you now. Kudos to you, my refans. Thank you all. Thank you all. Please, if you never subscribe, use the dengue post. Please, not see my channel, pursue the entire TV, not subscribe. As you see, and make sure say you knock that thumbs up and press that notification bell. That one will give you alert. Bang, 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 bang. Vera don't upload or Vera is on live video. Please, more than subscribe to my pursue the entire house, I beg. So that we'll soon start live video there. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Please, more than subscribe. Make her they cry. Cry not be our portion. Happiness we shall see. Happiness we will see. Oh. So I thank you guys. I thank you all. I appreciate you all. So now, so my beautiful people. So I get message for John Lovett and Efe. So this message go to John Lovett, although I just want to put Efe a little bit. You understand? So because they sent me some videos, I just want to shook my mouth, but no now will be presented and I will need to still shook and now so they talk my house. So all those haters making no pain on because John Lovett going to want transfer my heart, guys. Yes. So now, right now, my beautiful people, what I want to talk about today is about John Lovett. John Lovett, you go and find a life because I don't look you. You don't make her, you don't want me people make her. You not make am jealousy they kill you because video they sent for me whether I fair 2 and 3 4 days ago when call the show Ayelala say they don't return the juju something like that, they don't return the swear something like that. So she was saying he called the talker for the cause say he said that for me I'm not too listening all but I just listening small. Call the talk say he no near you, say he no curse you one day, he no carry near you, say because if they talk of Kokobiri vandalize or single mother must marry, really not truth. That must stand for single mother must marry. Single mother must marry. Single mother must marry. Because you know, say you'll be single mother. Not be only you want to be single mother for the world. Me, I don't know why sort the pepper person for body. For example, now I be single mother. I see who they talk and say single mother must marry. I need to look for responsible. Okay, one not good, two not good, still not go good. Look for a responsible man and settle down with. All men are not the same. What you just have to do, settle down, shine your eye, and make sure you look that person well. You will see everything will be okay. No need of say, because the person thought say single mother must marry. Because really, a fair they read the talk of my people. If I still lie, I'm gonna see right on there. A fair they say single mother must marry, single mother must marry, single mother must marry. Yes. Because say single mother don't too much. Of which not truth, you not lie. Okay, if you be single mother, why you call the if you be single mother and never married, that one not supposed to concern you now. Why you call the shout, can't go they cause the man, the you can't they go and not see you, see you. You see as they pay you for body. You see as they pay. You me go right hand. Me they bring Ilala paper for you if you don't know. You know why I want bring Ilala paper for you. You say my husband driving license, you say na dagbo. You say my man na thief. You say na lazy man. You carry many talk. You say pikin when I born. You say na Italy, Libya. Now for carry the belle come. Not be here for born. Me, all your this me don't go save. Me, thank God your papa has. I don't know the address. Everything don't be my bank. Me go gree. Waiting for you to trauma, give my husband. Lie for my head, lie against my husband head. Say me na fake life. Say me do a shower for Libya. You say me do a shower for Italy. You say na road that for carry belle when I come born for my husband. You now me want carry go Island now. Then you will go swear. When me take carry belle, if me even carry belle for Italy, enter Germany, then you will go swear when me for carry belle. If na Kate Pisa tell you, when me can't follow you because now you sit down say you want to talk. If you bring and can't give you, you say you no go talk. You no go force you. Because you want pass me, you want draw me come down. Amy ask you where are they? Your pa address everything, you will receive the letter for them. You never see anything. You say me carry belle, me do a shower. Where me for do a shower, you will go swear. Where me for carry pikin, when not be my husband, say pikin when me born, say not be my husband, not be my husband pay me. You say me carry pikin because I don't say that my husband will give me. If you ask me blood test, now Vera, go bring your pikin blood test, I go run, go bring her. So that will not be anything. The one me want tell you say me carry belle for Libya. You say na Libya me for carry belle. Enter Germany, come born for Germany. Number 2. You say my husband driving license, you say na dagbo, say my man a thief. Where for thief your papa? Where for thief your mama? Where for thief your generation? Where for thief your useless and shameless family? You will go swear. Where my husband for thief driving license? You will talk, you say na dagbo. You say driving license will be dagbo for the audio when you play. When Kate Pisa say for you say when mama talk say he be not there has he just he come out he drive rich house now. Now Kate the caller. She can't send you the voice note. You say my husband a thief. You say na dagbo. You will wait. That is number 3. Matter when me want to tell you now. They reach how many? You say me I buy papa for Germany. You say the passport you want spoiler. When me for first spoil your own way, you want to spoil my passport. You will go swear. Wait till I follow you buy. When me I not pay. If we reach there, you will come tell me I go pay you. Then the one when you do, you're ready to pay me for the damages, for the harassment, for the insult, for the lying against me and my husband. You will come talk. Because you think say you're smart. You see your disgrace now. I be pastor. God called me. God called me. Susie. Susie, God go bless you. Once Susie take bring Ayla come, we don't know the fake people for social media. Before God call me, God call me, Holy Michael, we change, may we be one, see your life now. Breeze never even blow. Your nyash don't dey outside. A breeze and you want blow, you don't say your head, you go blow your head, you go blow your ear, you go dey outside. Me now, I want right there. Oh, don't love it. This pursue the entire TV. Wanna go subscribe. Oh, don't love it. Me, they bring Ayla paper, can't give you. Ayla paper go come meet you. Then me go talk where my husband for be thief. Where I for buy, where I for carry pikin when not be my man own. Where I for carry belle, when me for carry belle come, when me for do a shower. Or if now your man sleep with me will go talk on them. If I know your man who go say he don't see me for road walk or for Libya, when me dey connection as they do a shower, you go bring that person when he tells you. That person will tell you, say, me do a shower for Libya. You go bring that person, if that connection as for see me anywhere for see me, you go bring and come outside. Say I do a shower. If na Italy, I for still do a shower, you say I get belle na Libya for carry belle, I don't know who give me. No wahala. If we reach there, you can't tell me the father of my pikin, or you can't tell me how me take carry belle come Germany. If now you can't come out the one I carry for Libya, or you can't come out and then when I come in Germany, I can't burn that one for you. It's like when I carry belle for Libya, I can't burn for Libya. Then my enemy not be me. When the pikin can't grow, I can't give you hope. Then me can't come Germany. Then I can't carry another. I can't get another belle. Then me can't born here. You go talk for Helena. When me want draw, you go. You make me answer you. You go surprise say when me want draw, you go. Your hand and your leg no go reach down. I go below you, Me go you. I must deal with you personally. Personally. You see how they dance? Personally. I'm going to deal with you personally. Go not say na Ishama I marry. Me, I deal with you well personally. You never see problem. You never see shame and disgrace. Me and you. You say, she be fair, you never talk now. You carry face. You say you be a shower. You call me say I be a shower, not pay me. You say Biki when I say na Libya. I don't know the papa. Na Libya for carry belle, now for bon. But I beg, if you do, go answer Ayla. Or don't love it. Ayla paper. You go get and I mean one break I can't give you. I go bring, I can't give all the accusation you lie against my head. As you take the chance, say I buy papa, you want spoiler, make the call Germany, you get family for Germany, this one, that one. Why have a bonjour? When my Mary, next time they bring matter give you, you will call me person use your life this way, or make it confirm way before you go sit down, talk the matter. I go follow you to the sense that your head go correct. Yes, your power address, I don't get them. So your power, anybody when they that they will send you, they'll tell you, say you see Ailala paper, because you cannot go scot-free. You can't dare me and go scot-free. You say you donate money for picking when not born. Paper, when you pay that money, if you reach Ailala, you go bring the paper come outside. The account when you take send the money go, you will go bring and come. You never see anything. And the gather uses there, so your cup don't fall, don't love it. So anything you like, brother, do to this useless or don't love it. That's how she be. Now how that leg that they find trouble, you see them. Never even talk to an they talk of single mother. You not tell you not call your name. Not be only one be single mother. Single mother, the whole world, no country, no get single mother. You go carry a person and say now you that they talk to. Begin they using that and the trauma give a fair. A fair not near you. He not shift near you. He not talk your matter. Now you fair go the cause that one. Social media is a thing. When you curse me, I curse you. Yes? When you curse me, I curse you. So he curse you and I call they pay you for body. You say you want die. You want kill yourself. Die Lala paper. Me not they do the one. The paper they not go see. Who work? You go see the paper for your papa house. Then you will go answer them. Then you will go swear, say everything you talk about me, not truth. And me too. You never see anything. Now you go be the scapegoat women want use. So already wait for me. You understand? Your papa had this thing where your papa dey for upper day for where your papa builders. I don't get everything don't deal with me. So very soon, open your ear well. Very soon they'll call you say court paper, Ailala paper don't reach your hand. You go here where it for come, the deep place where the Ailala for come. I don't care how much I'm happy. You will hear where it for come, you will see the paper, they call them. Then, may you go talk where my husband for thief driving license, where for do dagbo, where for thief your head, where for come, they follow women up and down. You go talk. Now me tell you, now me and you they stay house so or na person call you tell you now useless piece when life not better tell you or I see you if they draw that wood where they pluck Pierre go if they draw that wood wood go they drop here now be this one me I swear if me they draw you go they draw bring matter can't give you then my own will teach you a sound warning that next time when anybody bring issue to you, you have to investigate and ask questions before going further or before proceeding to talk anybody matter. Not even presenter like me, you are too small. So I'm going to deal with you personally. Personally. I go right and there say, oh, don't love it. Ailala paper go soon reach your papa house. Very soon, you will see Ailala paper for your papa house. So just they ready, they prepare. Say make an announcement. So Mona help me share this video. Make it reach where she dey. Make it reach where she dey. Oh, except if I can't find you. Oh, if I don't find you, I never cost you. You carry my matter. You talk and all this. You begin to lay cost for your children head. You begin to lie. You begin to call people for my matter. Except I fair do you. Now wait till I go do so not go reach your body. But if I not fair do you. You go know wetin me I go do. You go know say you no know say na so vera be. You for no never. I think say this matter don't die. He never die. Me since you get mine, tell go they give a fair paper now. You find a fair trouble now. If I cause a fair, me I want still give you. So if you reach there, where me for Kaibele for Libya, where me for do ashawo me do ashawo for Libya. Or Italy, me. You can go explain now. Joby said they call you a shower and they pay you. My own now, you say me do. Say all Libya people sleep with me. Now they even give me belle. Now so me no know who give me belle. Now me can't give my man. Now so me can't do a shower. Now so me born this one. Me and you will go meet for them. So I don't want to make this video too long. So when you see this video, this pursue the Enter House TV. Please subscribe. More are still coming. So that when I know when the Ailala paper go tell land, make she use her mouth to talk. And I will still tell her and say, See. So now, so my people, God will bless and appreciate you a lot. Thank you very much. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you. All right, now I'm about to go. Thank you. Please subscribe to Vera Pursue the Enter House. More start live video there. Or don't love it. Now I fair head. Now I go kill you. Or don't love it. Anything you pull hand, no go better for you. Because you never see anything. So far go they follow you. Problem go they follow you. Problem wahala go they follow you. You never see anything. You never see anything. You never see anything. So now, so my people, God will bless you. All the calls return to your head. Or don't love it. Your papa don't keep bucket now. Your papa don't die. No money to do better. Your useless sister when they do a shower up and they see their life from A to Z. No one good. You already take good answer. So all right, guys, thank you very much. I appreciate you all. So please subscribe to my channel so that you know what they go on for this, especially Vera Comedy TV and Pursue the Enter House TV. This video is going to Pursue the Enter House TV. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you. Bye.